So today we're gonna make it so the enemy can actually deal damage to us. So first things first, be in the main player, call an event any damage. I think previously we did something with it, but just delete everything. And I here create a variable called attack. It's just a boolean and make it true. By default, it should be false. So if you click on it, it should be unchecked. Right here, we're gonna check it. We're gonna get the play stats, decrease health. Of course, we're gonna check if you're dead or not. Decrease health will be the damage dealt, just like that. And right here, if we are dead, we are going to disable movement, right, of the character and simulate physics. And we can simulate it on set simulate physics on mesh. Put that to true. And on the mesh, like click on it, switch for collisions. I'll make it custom and do collisions enabled. This one, collisions enable covariant physics. So this thing works now. And on the false, basically if you're not dead, we're gonna set the attack to none. Delay that for 2 seconds. And right here we can create a regeneration. So the player will be able to regenerate. So we can actually comment this out, enemy, or actually taking damage from enemy. And for the regeneration, we are just gonna basically have a custom event called regeneration. Before we regen, I'm gonna actually check if this works. So if we play, you can see it's dealing damage. We can deal damage back as well. And he's dealing damage as well. Okay. So we are gonna check if we are attacking or attacked, sorry, if it's booleans or not boolean. So it's basically false. So if it's false, we are gonna set timer by event, a custom event. This will be, I'm just gonna call it a health regen because we're not gonna use this custom event. We're not gonna call it basically. So we're gonna get the player, increase health, and right here you can do whatever. I'm gonna do 2. For the timer, loop it. Set the timer as every 1 second maybe. And promote the return value into a variable called regen timer. And right here when it's false, we just basically going to set this timer to nothing. So the input is empty, as you can see. And get the region and clear and invalidate. So clear and invalidate it. So it means it's just gonna stop the timer when we get attacked, so we are not gonna get regened. So this will be regenerate players health. Should probably set the colors, you know, like you can set right here after the delay regeneration and voila. So if we, for example, get attacked, I will try to run away. And you can see now it is getting regenerated. And if I get attacked, the region... Yes, stop. No, it doesn't. So the problem is, it's pretty simple. So what you have to do, this kind of doesn't work because it's gets called right here, right? And it doesn't make any sense. So what you have to do, right when you take damage, you put the clear and invalidate, basically what we put right here. So you can just delete this and just keep it like that. So this should technically work. So if we play, it will hit me after 2 seconds. We'll start healing once again, 2 seconds, and it should technically work. So, and if I die, so if it kills me someday, just kill fat, please. You can see I will ragdoll down. He will still keep attacking because the capsule is still there. You cannot really see it, but the capsule is still there. So what I usually do, either you can delete it, or you can, after simulating the physics, have a delay. I like them delays, man, of 2 seconds, and enter, I think it was like world time, set global time, I think, global time to 0. And after that you can create a widget that shows that you died. So now it's basically going to work like this. So if he kills me, okay, can you kill me? I will ragdoll and the time will basically freeze. And then you can add the widget. And that's basically it.